Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the most important electronic effect, that is resonance. Students, previously we had discussed about inductive effect, hyperconjugation and electromagnetic effect. Okay, students? Now let's talk about one of the most important stabilizing effect, that is resonance. First, we have to discuss what is resonance, why it happened, and what are these conditions, when does it take place, and how to draw resonating structure, and at last what is the difference between resonance and mesomeric effect. Let's see. We are taking benzene as example, right, student? These are hair bones. Students, what are you observed? Double bone, single bone, double bone, single bone, double bone, single bone. There are 3 double bones and 3 single bones. Students, we all know very well that double bond length is smaller than single bond length, right, student? There will be difference in bond length, but in actual the found that all bonds are in same bond length. Are you getting my points? In actual, the all bonds are in same bond length. That means double bond is equal to single bond. Double bond is equal to single bond. That is means electron density is same. In benzene ring, students, I am writing the real structure of benzene. It is found that, students, that means here is double bond, single bond, double bond having same bond length. That means we can put this like this, right now. That means here in benzene ring, double bond and single bond having same bond length. It means students, what is double bond and single bond? Double bond and single bonds are real में electron density na. That means all electron density in benzene ring will be same. Okay, students, it is found that this structure is real and this structure is hypothetical. This hypothetical structure is not able to explain all the properties of benzene. It is found that, students. So, students, resonance is the way in which electron flow take place. Okay, students, I am repeating. Resonance is the way in which electron flow take place, right, students? Resonance is the phenomena which explain reality of the structure. That means it tells us that how to get distribution of electron. Okay, students? Students, let's see its definition. Yes, students, resonance is a way of describing in certain molecules or ions by the combination of several contributing structures or forms known as resonance. Students, the real structure is called hybrid structure. That is hybrid structure. Now see another example to explain resonance. Let's take another example. I have CO3 minus 2. Students, we take CO3 minus 2. What is this? This is called carbonate, right, students? Carbonate. Students, what is that structure? let's write. Sorry students for disturbing. Let's write the structure of carbonate. It should be like this na. See, here is double bond O and here is single bond O and minus charge, and also here is minus charge. C double bond O, C single bond O, C single bond O, and minus charge on both oxygens. This is the real structure. Now, what you observed in this structure? Students, here is both single bonds and here C, between the carbon and oxygen there is double bond. Then what student? Double single bond should be larger than the double bonds. Okay, both single bonds are having larger bond length than the double bond. Okay students. But in actual, here no difference between the all bonds. Okay students, here no bond difference between the all bonds. That means double bond will be equal to single bond. That means structure should be like this. See, okay, sorry. See, sorry students, here the structure C. Oh. This is dot student. Sorry student. Actually, I have having the holding phone in my other hand. That's was the problem. See students, again C O O O. I am showing the electron density, same electron density by the dots like this. Okay students. So students, resonance is the way in which electron flow take place and electron density will be the same in whole molecule structure. Right students? Now let's talk about the conditions. Of resonance. First and important condition of resonance, that is conjugation. This is very important part of the resonance, that is conjugation students. First we will talk about conjugation. But students, before explaining conjugation, we have to discuss about some important points about resonance. Students, we will discuss about conjugation in our next video. Thank you students.